On the bench today, I have the GEARGO Active Fuel Management Disabler for certain GM V8 and V6 models. And I saw some Saab models and a Suzu model and a Suzuki on the list too. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And this is how it arrives. Just arrived in a bubble wrap package. You get the box, you open it up, you get the module in here, and you get the instructions. It's easy to use. You just plug it into your ODB2 port. There's the instructions, easy to read. Now, the company asked me to do an unboxing for this. I'm not a mechanic, and I have no way to test this in any way at all. I just wanted to point that out at the beginning here. So this is the 2025 version. It is an ODB2 plug-in module that is designed to optimize engine performance for certain GM V8, V6 models. You're going to want to check the specs out to make sure that this is the right module for you. And I'll put up a picture with all the different models on there so that you can pause it and take a look at it and make sure it's the right one for you. It's about 2 inches, about 1.5 inches, super lightweight. See the port here, 2 lights that light up when you plug it in and use it. When you plug this module in, the device is designed to disable the AFM, DFM system so that your engine will run at full power on all 6 or 8 cylinders, depending on, if you have a V8 or a V6, of course. This is meant to eliminate lag, help future lifter failure, increase responsiveness, and help your engine run smoother and stronger on full power, all cylinders. So this is a plug-and-play design. You simply plug it into your ODB2 port and it automatically activates. There's no wiring, there's no software, you just plug and go. If you want to restore it back to your factory settings, you simply unplug the device. Just want to point out that they specifically said it does not fit 2019 plus Silverado and Sierra models equipped with a 5.3 liter or 6.2 liter motors and 10-speed transmissions. So there you go. A plug and play AFM disabler. Very nice, very easy to use.